Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on a PC. Since Skate 3 was originally a console exclusive, you will need to use an emulator. This software mimics a console environment, letting your computer run the game. For a smooth experience, ensure your PC has robust specifications, including a capable processor and a dedicated graphics card. This setup is crucial for enjoying the game without performance issues. To begin, you will need to select an emulator. RPCS 3 is an excellent choice for PlayStation 3 titles, while Xenia is designed for Xbox 360 games. Both are actively developed and have made significant progress in game compatibility and performance. Researching which emulator best suits your system and preferences is a good first step, as each has unique requirements and features. Next, you will need the actual Skate 3 game files. It is important to obtain these legally. The most ethical way is to own a physical copy of the game for either the PlayStation 3 or Xbox 360. You can then use specific tools to convert your disc into a digital file format compatible with your chosen emulator, ensuring you respect copyright laws. Finally, install your chosen emulator and configure its settings. Adjust graphics, audio, and controller inputs to your liking. Many emulators offer options to enhance resolution or frame rate beyond the original console's capabilities. Once configured, simply load your Skate 3 game file. You are now ready to hit the streets of Port Carverton and enjoy the full Skate 3 experience on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.